I don't want to be like a serial killer with fingernails all over my house. I don't know, like some Ted Bundy is gonna make a sex joke, but we won't. I glued my fingers together. I glued my fingers to so many things. Hello YouTube, it's Angie Gabs, and I just want to say thank you for popping by my little corner of the internet. Today I am going to be doing a review that has been a long time coming. If you follow me on Instagram, I kept talking about posting a review for static nails, which are supposed to be these revolutionary press-on nails with this revolutionary new nail formula that allows you to wear them for a really long time without damaging your nails. I love having my nails done, but I cannot afford a salon manicure, and I would love to do my nails at home and just paint them with nail polish. Like, if that was an option for me, absolutely. But my nails are super soft, like they flake. I've tried taking biotin, recently ordered some nail strengthening stuff from OPI, and it has formaldehyde in it, and I don't know how I feel about that. But I've tried natural ways of strengthening my nails and nothing works, honestly. If you follow me on my channel, you know that I'm currently like not the most financially secure, and that my money is really important to me. And before I do a review, I want to make sure that I have reviewed something inside and out, like up, down, every which way, tried every method. So that way, if I'm gonna make a recommendation to you, you know whether or not it's worth spending your money. Static nails. They are the best press-on nails I have tried. That being said, they are not what I want them to be. If you don't feel like watching the rest of the review, that's totally fine, but that's basically the gist of it. I think these look the most realistic out of any kind of press-ons that I have. You might be able to see, like, I did shape them myself and I didn't do a very good job because I found that they didn't have very many options for like the shorter nails, and I like my nails shorter. You can file them down, but it takes a while and you have to shape them, and I didn't have the patience, and these were ones that I was reusing anyway. Another big selling point of static nails is that you can just pop them off. It is true, but the whole point of like their nail glue is that you have to wait like a certain amount of time for the nail glue to slowly dissolve before it pops off. Once the nail glue dissolves, they do pop off. They don't damage your nail, which is different than any other kind of press-ons that I've tried. The whole thing about them popping off is that they're supposed to be reusable. I have tried reusing them twice. I've tried 5 different types of static nails. I've tried static nails with some of the best glue that I've found and the strongest glue that I've found. I've tried static nails with their own glue. I've tried applying it with a brush. I've tried applying it with the little tube that comes in the little kit. Like, I've tried absolutely everything. I've tried it with more glue. I've tried it with less glue. I went all out for this, y'all. So if you could give me a like just for sheer effort alone, I would appreciate that. This whole like thing took me like 3 months to make. Applying the nails is easy. The glue is sticky, but it's not too sticky. So I found that the nails weren't staying on as long as they claimed. They said that they could stay on for anywhere from like 3 or 4 days to 2 weeks. I have never been able to get the nails to stay on past 8 days, and that was using the strongest nail glue I have that absolutely destroys my nails. They have like this section of the website where it's like, if the nails aren't sticking long enough, what do you do? And they said to use a double bond technique, pea-size amount on the nail itself and then a little bit of glue on the fake nail. You let it get tacky and you glue it down. And every week, my nails would pop off before I was ready. They blame it on the consumer. They say that you haven't applied enough glue if that's the case. But if you apply the pea-size amount that they say, it spills out over the sides of your nails. It was really helpful to have a cotton pad soaked in nail polish remover to wipe away the glue, because otherwise the glue would get on the nails. It would look ugly. I would like glue my fingers together. I glued my fingers together. I glued my fingers to so many things throughout this whole experiment. But the glue gets everywhere if you use the amount that you're supposed to. I was like, you know, for $20, these nails look like professional salon quality nails, and if I can reuse them over and over, this still might be worth it. It's a little bit annoying to have my manicure fail on me and not last a week when they claim that it can last up to 2 weeks. But I'm willing to do that if the price point is right, because I can get a lot of uses out of these nails. Like, reusing your nails sounds like a great idea until like you're like me today, where you're taking the garbage out and then a nail pops off while you're like loading the garbage into the garbage chute, and then you have to like randomly carry around a fake nail and like bring it back home because it's the one that fits your nail size, and then glue it onto your nail. You have to like collect the nails and make sure that you're keeping them. And I just found like I was getting nails everywhere, all over my house, and I don't like that vibe. It feels creepy. I don't want to be like a serial killer with fingernails all over my house. Like, that just feels like, I don't know, like some Ted Bundy. So you have to make sure that you like keep them all wrangled. They do have a variety of sizes, but you know, I found that like these 3 fingers, very similar sizes, and so if I lost all 3 of these, then I would have not enough nails to actually glue it on. I've been wearing it for a week, and these nails do weaken. I was disappointed. So I find that they crack, they bend a little bit more on the second use. I tried them 3 different times to make sure that it wasn't in my head. I guess my thing with static nails is that static nails claims to be a lot of things that it isn't. I was just like disappointed, to be honest. Like, I love the nails. I love the colors that they have. They have like some of the most modern and like on trend designs that I've seen. People think these are my real nails. I get compliments on my nails all the time when I'm wearing static nails, but they claim that it was reusable. They claim that you could wear it for a long time, and it's just, those things didn't really work out in reality. 3 or 4 days in, my nail would break. And it's not like I'm doing like intense things like, I don't know, digging in the dirt with my hands like I'm a dog burying a bone or something. Scratching my fingernails down chalkboards or down, I was gonna make a sex joke, but we won't. Cleaning, doing dishes, doing normal things that a salon manicure would hold up to, that these nails do not, and that's disappointing to me. If you are concerned about nail damage and you are not looking for the longest wear, these nails are a great option. I think that they're perfect for special events. If you are not looking for them to last like a week and you want just like a nice manicure for like a bachelorette party or for a high school dance or, you know, like a wedding that you're going to, these are perfect. They look real. They look way more expensive than they are. The glue does not damage your nails. That being said, it doesn't have the hold that you need, but if it's a special event, these would be perfect. These are the best quality nails that I've tried, like press-on wise. Like, they're thick, but they don't feel thick, if that makes sense. They don't feel like clunky like gel nails. I do like the look of them. I would use them for special occasions, but I bought them with this conundrum that I've had where I want my nails to look nice. I want to have done nails, but I can't paint my nails myself because my natural nails are so bad and I can't afford the salon. I'm trying to nurse my nails back to health with some strengthening products. If you have any recommendations for strengthening products or things that you have done for brittle nails, please, please, please give me advice. I would love to hear what you've done. In the meantime, I am out of static nails. I used up my last set. I ordered 5 sets. When you factor in how quickly they pop off and how much, and the fact that you can reuse them once, I found, before you start getting cracks, it works out to about $10 a manicure for about 5 days of wear. I am still on the hunt for press-on nails that can compete with salon quality, but I have yet to find one. So if you find them, let me know. In the meantime, I'm gonna try and strengthen my natural nails. I am gonna take a break from press-ons altogether, try this OPI nail strengthener. This was just a stop along my nail saga. I wanna thank you all for being here. I'm not gonna lie, this is not my typical content. I don't post a lot of beauty tutorials. I think there's a lot of people out there on YouTube who do things better. But I do post a lot of personal finance content, what I like to call real lifestyle, and finding an affordable manicure is something that is within my wheelhouse. So I just thought I would do this video. Here's a link to my personal finance playlist if you're interested. Definitely check that out. I have other videos about finances. I lived in poverty for a long time and I'm working my way out of it, and that's a years-long process. And in the meantime, I'm being very frugal. I'm trying to save my money. I'm doing the side hustle thing, so I have videos on that. If you did like this video, please subscribe. I've been trying to come up with a tagline for my YouTube videos because there's so many YouTubers that like have like this perfect tagline at the end where it's like inspirational. It's like, do something kind for yourself today. Be gentle with yourself. Do something nice for someone else today. So I've been like trying to come up with my tagline, and I think my tagline is, remember, one step at a time. No, that doesn't sound good. And remember to take life one step at a time. We're all just doing the best we can. I found it. That felt right. Did it feel right to you? It felt right to me. Okay, thank you so much for dropping by my little corner of the internet, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!